How to read WhatsApp messages without opening them. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to read a WhatsApp message sent by someone without the person knowing, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the application on your device. Now after you do that, there are two ways for doing it. So the first way is go to settings by clicking on the three dot option in the top right corner of your screen and then click on settings. After that, scroll down and go to the option which says notifications. Then scroll a bit down and over here you can see the option use high priority notification. Click on it. After that, what's gonna happen is whenever somebody sends a message, then you can simply see all the messages they sent by scrolling to the notification center of your phone. Right now there is no notification, but whenever someone sends a message on WhatsApp, all the messages they send will be shown over here. So this is the first way. Now the second way for doing that is just go to settings, then go to privacy. After that, scroll down and over here you can see the option which says read receipts. If you turn it off, then even when you open the chat and look at the chat, the other person won't see the blue tick mark on their chat. So this is how you can read WhatsApp messages without opening them. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.